Hey, so this is just a quick video on wiki permissions. So if you click on share, what you'll see is that originally your site is private, okay? And I think what you can do is you can edit that first. Let's first go to my assumption, and correct me if I'm wrong, but when you first start the site, it's already private, right? And you can choose what it is. But I think here, sharing and permissions. Okay, here it is. So sidekicks. Anyone that sidekicks can find and edit. So you can change that. So public on the web, anyone with the link. We use business Google Apps for Business. That's why it says anyone that sidekicks. So anyone that sidekicks has a link, and anyone within sidekicks can edit, right? So that's the way we do it. So when you open up your page like I just did, you can choose how it is. And if it's not a Google Apps for Business site, I think you can just, instead of saying for sidekicks, it'll just say three things: public, anyone with a link, private. I recommend choosing private. And then what you do is you just invite the people who you'd like to join the wiki, right? So that's what I did here. We just invite the people who are active and joining the wiki. So I'm just going to add Ralph. Okay, so the next thing is, let's say you want to have different departments that have permission. So for example, our finance team, we have a lot of passwords and things in here that don't need to be shared. So what we did, and I'll just turn it, you see this button here, it says turn page level permissions off. Right now they're on for us. If it says on, if you click on that, then you'll be able to do what I just did here. So like finance, what I did is it said start with the list but ignore any future changes to department SOPs. So let's say for marketing, let's say we want to update marketing. Let's go use this is default. Use the same permissions and members as departments. So go change. And then what I do is use custom permissions. And usually what I select is do not add new users to this page. All right, so I'll go save. So basically what happens is it says, if I add someone new to the whole site, right, and the way this works is it says, it always looks upwards, right? So marketing looks up to departments, looks up to the sidekicks internal. So let's say I add someone new to the whole site, right? What's going to happen is they're going to get access to every area except finance and marketing, because I've already turned on the custom permissions there, right? So what it says here is it says start with a list below, but ignore any future changes, right? So if I click on departments, it says use the same permissions and members as sidekicks internal wiki, which is meaning it just listens to its parent. It's like, this is dad, I do it like that. In finance, it says start with the list below, but ignore any future changes. So if I add someone to the site and I want to add them to finance, I have to add them to the whole site, and then I got to go down here and choose like can view, right? That's the way to do it. So that's how you turn it on, and that's how you organize it. And of course, just play with this for a little bit. It'll make a lot more sense after you actually take a look at it.